Hello everyone, and welcome to the Law Office of Brian Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Renika Hayes, an attorney at the firm, and today we embarked on a comprehensive journey, post-divorce maintenance in Texas, a comprehensive exploration. Spousal maintenance, also known as alimony, is a crucial aspect of many divorces, and understanding its legal, financial, and emotional dimensions is crucial. For a deep dive into this topic, visit our website page on spousal maintenance, linked in the description below. And if you find this video informative, please consider liking and subscribing for more valuable legal insights. Post-divorce maintenance, often referred to as spousal support or alimony, can have a profound impact on individuals after divorce. Today we'll explore the legal, financial, and emotional aspects of this important topic. To help us understand these dimensions better, let's immerse ourselves in a real-life scenario of Jennifer and David, a couple residing in Texas who are navigating the complexities of spousal maintenance. Jennifer and David recently divorced after a long marriage, and Jennifer is now considering whether she should seek spousal maintenance to support her post-divorce life. Let's begin with the legal dimension of spousal maintenance in Texas. We'll explore the eligibility criteria, factors considered by the court, and the duration of payments. The financial aspect of spousal maintenance is paramount. We'll discuss how the court determines the amount of maintenance, its tax implications, and financial planning after divorce. Divorce can take an emotional toll, and spousal maintenance decisions can add complexity. We'll address the emotional aspects, including communication and co-parenting after divorce. Legal representation is essential when dealing with spousal maintenance. Jennifer and David have sought the help of experienced family law attorneys to navigate this process. In conclusion, post-divorce maintenance in Texas encompasses legal, financial, and emotional dimensions. It's vital to approach this topic with knowledge and empathy, seeking the support you need. If you found this information valuable, please support our channel by liking this video and subscribing for more legal insights. Knowledge empowers you during life transitions. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. The Law Office of Brian Fagan is here to support you through the complexities of family law. If you have questions or need legal assistance, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Brian Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.